Hello friends. Welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive real estate business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our real estate business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will start by creating a workspace. You may call it a project. Our project name is Prime Estate. Then we need to provide a brief about our business idea, what exactly we are trying to do with our business. For example, I, John Doe, along with my business partner John Doe, plan to establish a real estate company named Prime Assets. Located in Austin, Texas, premises will focus on buying, renovating, and selling residential properties. We aim to capitalize on the booming housing market in Austin by offering modern, renovated housing homes to new families and professionals moving to the area. Next is a tagline. We will ask here to suggest some taglines for our business. Let's pick one from the suggestions from AI. Select the industry of our business. Real estate and rentals. Company stage. Our business is yet in idea stage. Is this business currently in operation? No. Country and currency setup. It's the US. So let's move ahead. What is your current funding situation? It is bootstrapped. Are we looking for funding? Yes. We are looking for some $200,000 of funding. The purpose of our business plan is to seek an investment moving ahead. This is the step where AI will generate some questions specific to our business idea based on the information that we just provided within the previous steps. These questions would be around our business, like what products and services are you going to sell? What is your target market? What is your value proposition? This will generate some 10 to 15 questions. Let's see what it has generated for us. What is the core mission that drives your business, and how do you envision the impact it will have on the community? Here we are using AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. Here, you can invite your team members, your colleagues, or the investors to do business planning with you. Now we have provided all the essential details to draft a business plan for us. So now we ask AI to generate a business plan for us. While it drafts a business plan, let me show you. This is our business plan builder. The left side includes a set of visual elements that you can simply drag and drop into your business plan. This bar includes a business plan outline. You can navigate your business plan from here. Okay, so our business plan is ready with us. Now read what it has created for us. This is the company overview. Prime Estate is a real estate company headquartered in Texas, focused on buying and selling residential properties. We operate as an LLC, which provides us with necessary flexibility and protection as we navigate in competitive real estate market. Our location in Austin positions us strategically with a thriving housing market driven by a significant influx of residents, etc. This is how it has also written all the content specific to your business idea based on the information that we provided earlier while setting up a workspace. This is the business owner section. Product and services chapter. Renovated residential properties. Market analysis chapter. Market size. You can actually calculate your market size, and you can feed this chart to create the actual chart for your market size. Competitive analysis sections. You can actually find out the competitors around your business. You can even take the help of our AI assistants. Here, have created AI agents in order to do market research, financial analysis, and compliance analysis around your business idea. Let's say we are asking it to find out the trends around our industry. It has found out current industry trends for the real estate business. We just asked, what are the current trends in my industry? It has identified my industry, and it has answered all the trends specific to a real estate business. So this is like your AI consultant agents that will answer all your questions about your real estate business. Let's say you want to do a SWOT analysis of your business. Simply drag and drop for sections over here. Now write a quick prompt over here to write a SWOT analysis. I am writing a SWOT analysis for my business. Please write a strength section in listicle and very brief way. Simply do auto-write. This is how you can auto-write. This is our AI writing assistant to auto-write, auto-improve, shorten, expand, or to give some professional or persuasive tone to your business plan content. Now go ahead with the financial plan. Here you will find all the details are empty. All the financial figures are empty. That is because we haven't yet initialized our financial module. We need to set it up. So let's say all three essential steps you need to follow. Financials start from January 2020. For plan durations, we're going to plan for the next 3 years. The fiscal year, the financial year starts from January. It has initiated our financial planning tool. There you can add revenue, cost of sale expenses, and personal and working capital. There you can add funding details, assets, and dividend or distribution details. Now here you can ask AI to suggest some possible revenue streams for real estate or the rental business. We are going to renovate and sell single-family homes. Yearly, we are going to sell some $500,000 of properties. To add a cost of sales, the cost of sales would be around let's say 60% of our total revenue goes to as cost of sales. We will ask AI to suggest some operating expenses for us. Would be online advertising and property insurance. We are monthly spending some $1,500 on online advertising. For the insurance, we are spending some $2,000 yearly. Now to add personnel costs, we will ask AI to suggest, selecting from the suggestions, real estate agents and general manager. For the general manager, we are paying some $5,000 as in salary monthly. $10% a year increment. for real estate agents. We are paying them $3,000 monthly and 10% of annual raises. Now to add the funding details. We are seeking a bank loan. $200,000 of bank loan. We are going to pay back within 24 months and have an interest rate of, let's say, 12% a year. Now to add the assets. Some assets like property purchases and renovation materials that we are going to purchase there. We are spending some $150,000. And there will be some 50% of salvage value. So we have all added all the essential details about the financial, added all the assumptions. Now see how our financial dashboard looks alike. We need $158,000 of funding, yet we need to start a business. Now let's see when we are reaching to break even. We will be rich to a break even by December 2024. After selling our first property. You can see all the data flowing in your profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow reports. Now in your financial plan of your business plan that you will see for all the data are populated. Let's say you want to have a break-even chart in your business plan. Simply drag and drop a break-even chart into your business plan. Here, you will find all the financial reports and charts that you can simply drag and drop into your business plan in order to display them as charts or reports. Here you can see all the key reports like profit and loss, cash flow, balance sheet, and break-even report are embedded into your business plan. So this is how we have created a business plan in minutes, using Upmetrics AI. Now, if you want to download your business plan, simply go to the download section and you will find the download button. Simply download it as a PDF or as a doc format. Here you will find a set of cover page designs or predefined templates of cover pages. You can even customize the color and theme for your cover pages. Or even you can share it online using this link. Now we just created a business plan for your real estate business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecasts, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your real estate business startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.